So what I'm demonstrating here today is using Bolt to create Stripe links. This came from Paul Gosnell and the work that he's done with Chilled CRM. And he, in X.com, shared his prompt or a prompt for Bolt and how he got Stripe links to work. So what I'm showing on screen here is a quick demo of using Bolt to do that. And we're going to do a integration with Superbase for authentication and a bit of DB, and then deploy that to Netlify, and then have the Stripe links or have used the Stripe links to create a subscribe payment. So currently we can see that we are doing the scaffolding and now the integration into Superbase. I'm going to speed this part up a little bit because it can take a couple of minutes to do it. So we now got authentication set up. And on the buy page, we can see that the link is stubbed. Sometimes the integration gets a little bit stuck, so I'm just refreshing bolt.new. And we'll move on to the initialization of the tables. So what we need to do is add in the links from Stripe back into the payments page. So I'm going to create some new products that match up with the links that we're going to need in the code. So in Stripe, if you do a search on payment link, it will bring it up. You can then add your products in. So I'm going to add that basic product in, and then I'll add the pro product in a sec. And what Stripe will do, it'll produce a link that I can copy out and add back into the code. So that's the place it's going to go back in. So I'll add the product. And then we create the link. We can see there that we can either add some more URL parameters, or in this case, I'm just going to copy the link out and pop it into the payment link in the code. I'll hit save. And then I can pull it up in the preview, but I just want to check first to make sure that I've got the screen returning back to the confirmation page, which I do. So I'll just double check that's the Netlify that URL, which it is. And if I hit deploy again, we should be able to demo this. So let's go. So we'll run through, do the authentication. Select a plan. I'm going to do the $9.99, the basic plan. We can see this is in test mode. So we can use the 4242. And I should hit subscribe, get a confirmation I've got a subscription, and then it should return back to the app.